Sehat ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Dasrat Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining about effect of lunar eclipse. Param Shanti. I will explain you about lunar eclipse. On the day of lunar eclipse, the full moon gravity affects air element and water element on earth. The water in oceans affects more. Due to this, the air element also affects. In Shastras, it was written that moon is considered to be a factor of mind. It affects all humans, animals and birds' minds. How it affects mind? First you have to know where is the mind. Where is the mind of your soul? Mind is not recorded in your gross body. It is not in air element. It is not recorded in your fire element. Mind is in the above layers of your soul. When soul has supreme elemental layer, then mind is in supreme elements. Now, mind is in your ether element. Due to cause of mind, causal body creates. That's why when causal body affects, that is ether element affects, mind also get affected. Then how it affects? If mind affects air element, fire element and water element, it shows some effect on earth element also, even if it is rigid element. We know that water is in liquid state and air is in settled state. When these four elements got affected, then it definitely affects ether element due to the gravity of moon. I am talking about the gravity power of moon. According to infinite divine knowledge, when powerful souls like knowledgeable and yogi souls are in soul conscious state, then how it can affect them? It can't affect infinite souls. The astrology is very ancient one. It is at the time of Brahma's first Pararth. In ancient times, people predicts that lunar eclipse affects your life like this, solar eclipse and planets affects your life like this and like that. They predicts that due to planets and rashis, this is going to happen in your life. Previously, only planets affects more on individuals on earth. And the stars which you are seeing at night comes under Rashi. You can see the stars means the fire element of that star is reaching you. Then definitely it shows some effect on you. Whatever your soul sees, it affects its mind. If you see stars at night in sky, your mind feels happy. Means on seeing star, you got the happiness. Means that star definitely affected your mind. On seeing it, your mind felt happy and you got the peace. Likewise, one soul affects other soul. Atmosphere also affects on people's mind. In olden days, people frightened that due to lunar eclipse or solar eclipse, this was going to happen and that was going to happen. Already they scared the people mentally and tells them to do donation and to take bath in rivers and to do fasting in path of devotion. They use it to scare people in advance that Rahu planet will swallow the sun. This is all about in the path of devotion. But in path of knowledge, the people who are in soul conscious doesn't get affected by this. Here in the path of knowledge, one should become beyond actions, feelings and qualities. To stay away from this deadly world, one should stay in utmost supreme abode with their mind. Remember new world. Forget the old one. Whatever you remember, you attains that. So change your thinking. Keep your mind in utmost supreme abode. Remember new world. Infinite soul should always have this goal and should proceed. If you think about this goal, you get that type of character. As your aim, your character will be. Remember your goal, then infinite peace will comes. This is deadly world, 5 elemental world. So every element shows its effect. Due to air, cyclones comes. Due to fire element, fire may set anywhere. This happens in this deadly world. No one can escape from this, may Sri Ram or Sri Krishna. Ram died by drowning himself in water. Krishna also died due to arrow of a hunter. What can anyone do? This is deadly world. In this deadly world, no one can become eternal. How can one? This is 5 elemental body. So 5 elements will definitely affects. So change your mind. How mind changes? Remember your goal. According to your goal, your mind will. According to your mind, you get the type of character. Change your way of thinking. If your thoughts were changed, your mind gets changed. Keep your mind in utmost supreme abode. If you keep your mind with body and bodily relations or anywhere else, it definitely affects your mind. When your mind was affected, the negative reaction comes in your causal, subtle and gross bodies. Mind affects causal, gross and subtle bodies. So, I already mentioned in so many of my videos to change your mind and thinking. Keep infinite thinking. On having infinite aim, your mind becomes infinite and infinite intellect, and you get infinite reclusion. From Brahma's first Pararth, these planets were created. On these planets, for example, on moon, Chandra Devata lived. Shanidev, Shukradev lived on their planets. On sun, Shura Narayana deity raised his family. They created planets and somewhat they affected earth and they used it to frighten, like Shanidev frightened that I will do this. Rahu and Ketu are called shadow planets. They are not gross planets. They may made of ether or air element. Rahu and Ketu also shows their effect. Shadow planets means subtle planets. They are not visible planets. These Shanidev, Rahu and Ketu shows effect on people. Not only on people of earth, they shows effect on above layers like second plane, third plane, on Indra also. These three planes, Bhulok, Bhugurlok and Svarglok, comes under the effect of these planets. On going further up, above dimensions, the effect will ceases gradually. When a soul did penance and went to Vishnulok, these planets can't affect them. Vishnupuri souls are very far away from these planets. Vishnupuri is very far away. So, planets can't show effect on Vishnupuri. Only they can affect up to their gravity power is. Gravity force of planets can't reach up to Vishnupuri and Shivpuri. If a soul remembers Vishnu or Shiv, they don't get affected by these planets. If a soul remembers Parabrahma Parameshwar, incorporeal, by staying in soul conscious, they also don't come under the effect of these planets. Automatically, gravity doesn't affect them. This is very mystical thing. Think about it and understand it. Param Shanti. Param Shanti. Welcome